Hello दोस्तों, how you? Today we discuss some RCC questions of civil engineering. Let us solve question number 1 is that if if FK is the characteristic strength of the concrete, then as per the Indian standard 456 2000, the modulus of elasticity of the concrete is option A, B, C, D is given here. As per IS 456 2000, characteristic strength of the concrete characteristic strength of the concrete is denoted by FK, and modulus of elasticity of the concrete is denoted by capital E C. Then EC equal to, answer is 5000 under root FK as per 456 2000. If IS 456 1978 modulus of elasticity of concrete will be 5700 under root FK. As per given question, our answer is C. Our answer is C. Next question. Next question. The minimum tension reinforcement required in the concrete beam should not less than. In this question, ask area of steel minimum required. Area of steel minimum required. The answer will be 0.85 divided by Fy cross multiply BD, where AST is the area of steel, Fy is the yield stress of steel, B is the width of beam, and D is the depth of beam. So answer is C. So answer is our C. Next question. Next question. The one way simply supported slab for a room of plan dimensions 9 meter by 4 meter carries ultimate working load of 9 kN per meter, then the design moment for the slab should be. In this question, dimension of slab is given here 4 meter and 9 meter. Always keep in mind design moment calculated always according to shorter span or parallel to longer span. Then given L 4 meter, ultimate working load W 9 kilonewton, per meter. Then we know that design moment. We know that design moment is equal to W L square upon 8. W L square upon 8. Now put the value of W equal to 9, L equal to 40 square divided by 8. Solve this equation. We obtain 9 into 16 divided by 8. Solve this. 8 to the 16, 2 into 19 equal to 18. Our answer is 18. Option number B is our answer is correct. 18 kilonewton meter design moment. Okay. Next question. Next question. A reinforced RC column with slenderness ratio greater than 12 is classified as column. In this question, update classification of column: short column, either long column, either axial loaded column, or stub column. Then we know that always if slenderness ratio greater than 12, then column is long column. Column is long column. And if ratio is less than 12, then column is short column. Column is short column. Then our answer is B, long column. Okay. Next question. What say? The critical section for computing maximum bending moment for the design of isolated footing supporting concrete column is considered df the distance between the long column face and the footing edge. Okay. As per question, our answer will be A. Always remember that three conditions of the critical section. First of all, maximum bending moment case. Critical section will be at the face of the column. Second, one way shear. The answer will be at a distance d from the column of the face. And case 3, punching shear. Or two-way shear. Critical section will be at a distance d by 2 from the column of the face. But our answer is according to question. Critical section for bending moment is option A, at the face of the column A. Okay. So friend, all questions is solved. So if video is like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.